Here I have TCL 306 and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn your TCL, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see TCL logo appeared, you have to release power key and keep holding only volume up. Then this kind of menu appears. Here in this menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option Enter Fastboot. And after that you will end up in the Fastboot mode. Here, like in the previous menu, you just use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as Reboot System Now, Enter Recovery, Reboot to Bootloader, and Power Off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, Reboot System Now, and your device will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.